Hello friends, so welcome to your channel Ray of Hope, second day of HTML injection, right? Today we're gonna cover some of the practical stuff, right? You will enjoy the most actually, right? For that, we're gonna need to run our OWASP broken web apps VMware, right? And so let's open it. It will take few couple of seconds. Okay, there we go. Finally we have our IP. I'm gonna go ahead and search for the same as I've already did a past did it in the past, so I have this over here. Now we are on our OApps BWA. Over here you will find something called OApps multilate 2, right? You have to open this. Now we will find something OWASP 2013, right? Over here you will find there is something called injection other, right? And there are multiple attacks that we're gonna cover, right? Over here we're gonna go ahead and have to go for this one, HTML injection HTMLI for browser info, right? If I'm gonna go ahead and look into this, I'm gonna find, oh shit, I'm not able to see any of the injection point where we can put the value in. Can we found? Oh, there you go. We just found something users agent string. I think this is bit familiar. This is the client IP, host name, operating system is Windows, remote client port. Refer to this. Do you think that there could be any vulnerabilities on this website? Okay, I'm talking about HTML injection, header attack. Can we do so? Let's do that. Okay, for that I'm gonna need my Bob suit, which is already over here open. I'm gonna go ahead and open the Bob suit on the interceptor, turn on the proxy, refresh the page. I intercept the data. Now you can find out, right? There is something called user agent. Is it similar to that? Verify. Yeah, it's pretty simple and similar only. What I'm gonna do, what if I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and put a simple HTML code over here? Okay, I'm gonna underline the text as well, right? We use this for underlining the text into HTML. You can refer W3S course to learn HTML, right? Okay, now what I'm gonna do, ray of hope, closed. Whatever we open, we need to close it, right? We are done. Okay, I now gonna go ahead and forward this request, right? Turn off the interceptor. Oh, can you see? I was able to change the text. Now it is in header 1 underlining, right? You can see, right? Even though we did not have any user input over here, but still I was able to perform HTML injection header based attack over here, right? So this is pretty simple. So also you can just go ahead and try it on yourself and see if you are able to. And if you find any issue in that, feel free to reach me out. You can comment, or you can give I'm definitely gonna report you back over the same. So wishing you good luck. Please do like, comment and share your views on it. Thank you.